Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create and use Add Yours feature on TikTok. Okay, first things first, you want to ensure that your TikTok app is up to date with the latest version to access this feature. Now, proceed to your profile page at the bottom right and you'll notice the Add Yours button beneath your profile info. To create a video using this feature, tap on it. You'll be then taken to a page where you can create a new prompt. This essentially starts a new thread or video idea. Tap on New Prompt and in here you can type in your chosen prompt. If you are stuck for ideas, you can roll the dice icon to receive a suggestion. For instance, if it suggests a group photo with your best friends, you can create and post that. After selecting media from your photo library, you can add text, stickers, effects, and more before posting the video to TikTok. Once posted, your video will appear on the For You page for others to see. They can engage with it by tapping on the Add Yours button and creating their own videos based on prompt. This builds a thread of user-generated content. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create and use Add Yours feature on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.